Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today the game is over. The my token, the game gonna end. Today is March 16th. They said March 15th we will update, we will again restart the plan, and lot of updates they are shared. But right now there is no single update, everything gone. They deleted the Telegram channel, and the app is also right now not working. Still yesterday we can log in the app, and just the thing is running. Okay, if someone plan is here joined, the thing is running. Okay, right now we can't able to open the app also, so app is also closed, and the Telegram channel, everything is closed, guys. Okay, right now nothing is active in their side. Okay, so from here itself you all already know. From the beginning itself I already said, but right now everything had a conclusion. There is no hope to restart, guys. Okay, so my token just rug pulled over the people more than 95 crores, guys. Okay, so the game got over. This is very danger thing, guys. Okay, so from the beginning itself I was suggesting to the people, without a KYC, if some app is giving this kind of profit, you should think about it, guys. Okay, but my token is giving profit to the investor by just entering the mobile number. Hope you all know that. Okay, so there is a lot of investors, guys. Okay, lot of investors, those who are invested under my referral or my known circle. A lot of people are there. Okay, see here, a lot of people are there. Lot of people. I know that, some people invested $1,000, and here is the thing, guys. Okay, one person invested 2,54,416 and $3,000, $4,000, like that. $2,54,000 means, do you know how much it is? It's around 2.5 crore, guys. Okay, right now value is around 2.5 crore. So that much, more than 95 crores rug by the my token, guys. Okay, so that much scamming things happen right now. Okay, so don't ever never get into this kind of scams. If you are interested in something, just do your own research whether it is worthy to invest or not. If it is worthy, you can invest. If it is not worthy, just come away, guys. Okay, that's what I used to suggest you. Okay, but your money is always hard earned one. It's not come easy money, right? But don't get into scam like this, and don't lose your money like this. Okay, but like recently a lot of scamming things going on. This my token is one, and before that compound finance you also know that nearby person someone did like that. A lot of people are telling, but I don't know who is this. Okay, so compound finance, and this one. Okay, so a lot of people, my token, a lot of people are affected by this. Okay, so this thing will never ever to be it happen. Okay, that's what I used to say, that this thing will never to be happen. Okay, guys, so $250,000 or that 2.5 crore INR Indian money. Okay, guys, so like this, lot of people invested, lot of people. Okay, that much of big amount invested in this my token without knowing, without analyzing anything, guys. Okay, so that much it's happening. So I request you all the people, my token is finished. So thereafter, if you are investing in something, just do your own research, guys. First of all, then only just analyze it whether it is worthy to invest. Because I'm investing like over 5,000 or 10,000, whether it is worthy to invest, think about it, then you can invest. Without knowing anything, please don't invest your hard earned money. That's what I used to suggest. So my token came to end, and in future too, a lot of platform will come like this to scam the people. Okay, so be careful and be positive, guys. Okay, so this could be the last video of my token. Okay, and my token came over, and the thing, everything got an end, guys. Okay, so thereafter there is nothing to talk about the my token because everything's content, and those who are invested a lot lost the money. Even I am also lost money. It's a simple amount, so it won't affect my life, guys. Okay, guys, that's it. Done. My token will be. So we'll see you in another great video, guys. Thank you so much.